and all my dear friends. As you all know, today is World Computer Literacy Day. So I would like to present a small speech before you in this occasion. As we know, computers are not accessible to everyone. It is clear that not everyone can understand how to operate a computer. Computers are not accessible to everyone. People of some nations are more technologically advanced and some are not. It creates a digital divide, and finally it leads to inequality in a society development such as economic and social sectors. World Computer Literacy Day is celebrated every year on 2nd December. It was first observed on 2001 and it was launched by NIIT. It gives digital access to disadvantaged communities and digital awareness. It promotes awareness about computers and other electronic gadgets and promotes technological skills in children, teens, and women. Some of the uses of World Computer Literacy Day are 1. Spreading awareness generally for using more of communication and information technology. 2. Spreading bridging awareness about technologically advanced and technologically backward societies across the globe. I would like to conclude that the World Computer Literacy Day is celebrated to increase global computer literacy. It teaches people from all around the globe how computers work, how to use computer, and how to build a developed society. By observing World Computer Literacy Day in our school now, I hope we put our hands together for the success of this initiative for creating a better world which is undividable digitally. No doubt it's the need of the hour for ensuring a balanced society across the globe. Thank you.